If you want to start saving money while you shop online, this video is going to show you exactly how to add Capital One Shopping to Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to install the extension, so you can automatically look for savings, coupon codes, and better deals while browsing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From here, hover your mouse over Extensions, and then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official store where Chrome extensions are installed safely. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look for the search box at the top left of the page. Click inside the search bar and type Capital One Shopping. Then press Enter on your keyboard. After the search results load, find the official extension called Capital One Shopping. Save now. Make sure you choose the correct official listing so you know you're installing the real extension. Once you found it, click on the extension listing to open its page. On that page, you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button. Go ahead and click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to add the extension. This is a normal security step, so click Add Extension to continue. After that, Chrome will download and install Capital One Shopping automatically. In just a few moments, the extension will be added to your browser, and you can start using it while shopping online. Depending on your browser settings, you may also see the extension appear near the top right area of Chrome after installation. And that's it! You've successfully added Capital One Shopping to Chrome. From here, you can browse more confidently, knowing the extension can help you look for deals and savings while you shop. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.